Good morning, students. So today I have to explain the experiment of to analysis and performance of your LTE by using VST 5644R by using NXI PXI kit 1062Q. Okay, and this is the LabVIEW kit we are using in that. So I have to discuss about the connection you have to maintain in your VST. So I have to make this loop cable with RF in and RF out to connectivity between them, and you also use the antenna for the two antenna using for that. So in this experiment I have to firstly explain here that is the analysis of your and performance of LTE. So now firstly I have opened your that is the inbuilt module in your LabVIEW in VST. So that is run by using LTE generation. Okay, through this LTE generation I have to firstly make this source name, that is your VST. Okay, so now there are the other number of parameters you are using in that. So firstly, if you are using generation and analysis of the of your LTE, you have made the similar fashion of your frequency reference source, that is the clock should be using same. So I have to generate the signal in that. Okay, generating the signal. So that the mention is that is no error. Okay, so second one, there is a number of graphs you are showing in that. Okay, so that is the parameter you have to generate to your LTE signal. Okay, with no error. Now you have to analyze the same signal, analyze one. To now open the LTE analysis. Okay, this was the analysis of your LTE soft front panel. So by using, you have made the RFSA source name, that is similarly you have put up your VST and the same frequency reference code PXI clock. Now I have to run that one with no error. Okay, so you have to see that the parameter and all these parameter now changing with the transmit and receiving the signals, and you see that is orange light blinking in that is the transmitting of your signals. So that is the number of parameter you are using in that to analysis of these LTE signals. Okay, so that is the analysis of one. So there are number of graph according to show with this one. Give the constellation diagram, slow this one. Now RE map, power versus time. Now you have to see changings of this parameter according to analysis of this signal. So that is the performance analysis of LTE using VST 5644R. Thanks a lot.